Have you ever felt your mind tangled in many thoughts at once? Like the morning rush on a crowded Tokyo train. Your heart races and your breath feels tight. This feeling, stress, is not new. Even over 400 years ago, samurai faced such moments before battle. In 1600, during the Battle of Sekigahara, samurai had to remain calm and clear-headed, no matter the chaos around them. How did they do this? Through a special practice called Zanshin, the art of maintaining a calm, alert mind. Today, we will explore this ancient samurai method and see how it can gently help us handle stress in our busy lives. To understand it deeply, we must look back to a samurai who lived it fully. Let me tell you about Miyamoto Musashi, a famous samurai from the early 1600s. Musashi was not only a skilled swordsman, but also a thoughtful man who practiced quiet awareness every day. One chilly morning, before the sun rose, Musashi sat quietly in his small wooden room. He was preparing for a duel that day, a fight that could cost him his life. Musashi's habit was simple. Before every challenge, he would breathe deeply and focus his mind completely on the present moment. No distraction, no fear, just full attention. "This is Zanshin," he said. "Even after the fight ends, the mind remains aware. That is the true way." Musashi's calm presence allowed him to see his opponent clearly, to sense the right moment to act, and to accept whatever outcome came with peace. This practice of remaining fully attentive, yet relaxed in the moment, helped samurai not just survive, but master their stress. Now, let's see how we can practice this Zanshin, step by step, gently bringing calm focus into our own busy lives. Step 1. Mindful breathing. First, start with your breath. Slowly inhale through your nose, feeling the air fill your belly. Then gently exhale through your mouth. This simple breath connects you to the present moment. Samurai use mindful breathing before battle to steady their nerves and sharpen their focus. Today, when stress rises, try this. Pause for a moment, breathe deeply, and bring your full attention to your breath. Notice how your body feels. This small pause can create space for calm. After this breath, do you feel a little lighter? Can your mind rest on one thing, your breathing? Step 2. Maintain awareness. Observe without judgment. Next, practice Zanshin by observing your thoughts without chasing them. Imagine your mind is like a still pond. Thoughts may ripple, but you do not need to react. Samurai trained to watch their surroundings carefully, without distraction. They accepted what was there, without panic. Try this now. Notice your feelings and thoughts quietly. Don't judge or push them away. Simply acknowledge them. Then return your focus gently to your breath or body. This calm observation helps reduce anxiety and keeps you grounded. Can you watch your thoughts as a silent observer? How does it change your feeling of stress? Many believe that stress must be fought or ignored quickly. We think, "I must fix this now," or "I am weak if I feel stressed." Samurai believed differently. They knew stress is natural, like the wind in the trees, and the true strength lies in steady awareness, not resistance. By accepting and calmly observing stress, samurai transformed it into focused energy. Here in Japan, discipline and humility guide us. Like samurai, we face challenges quietly, with patience. Remember, true strength is not in rushing or forcing control. It is in steady calmness, a gentle power that grows within. Perhaps today, you might try this. When stress comes, pause, take one mindful breath. Notice your thoughts gently. If you feel comfortable, share in the comments how this practice feels for you. Together, we walk this path toward calm focus. As the great samurai Yagi Munenori said, "The mind must be like water. calm on the surface, yet ready to flow with strength. Let us carry this gentle strength with us in every moment.